Hello, it's us, the Burping Twins. Today we have me and Megan
Hello.
burping the alphabet. Here we go.
F.
Dirt. Y. Let me do the whole one. Sorry, she's having some technical difficulties with her burping. Now, that was us, the Burping Twins. See you later.
Bye.